Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Rednote account. So if you also want to create Rednote account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Rednote application is actually the alternate application for TikTok. It allows the users to upload short form videos and post photos. So if you also want to create Rednote account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Rednote application. If you do not have this application is available in Google Play Store and App Store. So you can download it from there. You can see over here Rednote application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can also create an account for yourself. If you want to create an account with WeChat, simply tap on the option WeChat that you can see on the screen. But if you want to create an account through other means, simply tap on the option other login methods. Now at bottom you'll be able to find the login methods. You can either log in with Facebook, Google or mobile number. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the Google option. Now what you have to do is agree to the terms, privacy policy and protection rules for children or teenagers of Rednote. Simply tap on the option agreed and continued. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you have multiple accounts on the device, simply choose the account that you want to sign in with. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address and profile picture with Rednote. Simply tap on the option continue. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is choose your gender and age. You can see two options over here, male and female. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after that what you have to do is select your age. Swipe up or down in order to select. You can see over here like this you'll be able to select the age. Now after you select the age, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is select your interest. You'll be able to find several options like beauty, painting, fashion, vlog, cosplay, pets, etc. Simply tap on the options of your choice. Now after you tap on your interests, what you have to do is tap on the option Start Exploring that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create Rednote account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.